Yes, we are back in business, and our contestants are back in business as you are watching the World Chocolate Masters World Final, where our finalists are battling it out. And this afternoon, we have 9 finalists working on 2 assignments. So within a couple of moments, they will be starting presenting in front of the jury their first assignment, #share. If you would like to follow this live stream without any interruption, well, you can do this via worldchocolatemasters.com. Please do not hesitate, because there you can find a lot of interviews, sharing, and of course you can have the recipes. Mark and Julie, yes, I'm totally ready, so give me the action.
You want some action, Virginie? I've got some beautiful action. Here we have Carlo from the Netherlands, who's piping in some citrus gel. Now, in most circumstances, just one citrus is enough, but no. We have the balance of fresh bergamot, orange, and we also have lemon. And that's on a bed of buckwheat praline, and that's on a ganache that is made with his very own or noir. And we're going to try and interrupt him very quickly to ask him a bit more about his or noir, because it's quite a heartening story.
Yeah, my noir is filled with sour touches, and the name of my noir is Jumakayo. Jumakayo stands for the 4 members of my family, and all the first 2 letters of their names. So J-U is Jurian, and M-A is Marianne, that's my wife, and then C-A it's me, Carlo, and then my daughter. Joella, yeah. So J-O, so that's why Jumakayo. So it's a nice name also.
It's a beautiful name, it's very personal, and that's what the competition is about. It's about being very personal, it's to the heart, it's pure creation. And I've got to say what I can smell and what I would love to taste in a minute. But we're coming up towards the end of all the preparations for share. But however, Alexandre, I think you're in a very interesting window right now, am I right?
I'm here in front of the shop window of Korea with Kim, and within 10 minutes he built already an amazing piece. He has so many elements in chocolate to build, to show. I let you go through his window and see a little bit what he's doing. We have plenty of texture, chocolate texture. There is airbrush work, and they are still full of boxes with chocolate pieces. So this is a tremendous work, and I believe the result will be just amazing.
I'm here with Stephen from the UK, and you can see he's madly trying to get all his boxes done. Exactly, come on. So he's got his 3D, he's got 2 different shapes here, and in here he's got like a black forest, so he's got a brownie, a very rich brownie at the bottom, and then he's got some lovely pistachio crunch, and then a gorgeous vanilla mousse on the top. And this is representing his local flower, which is the Yorkshire rose. So as you can see him putting this together, it takes on the same shape as the Yorkshire Road.
Go on, Stephen!
I'm back at the shop window of Kim from Korea, because I want to show you 2 very interesting things. As you can see, Kim is busy now to stick, his chocolate pieces on the shop window, and he's using, you can see that orange, it's like a carpet, it's like a mat, but it's a mat that it's warming. Very interesting, for the use of chocolate like this. It doesn't need to use any kind of heat, with this carpet, it just melt a little bit the chocolate and stick directly on the wall. Very clean work. Another thing that I want to mention to you, here, just below me, under me, there are some beautiful chocolate sculpture, and you will see, yes, they are beautiful, but what is different? Well, actually, he's using a technique with chocolate foam done with gas, which makes pieces very, very light. So this is plain chocolate, but this chocolate has been completely aerated. Very smart.
Well, here I am in the Italian kitchen with Anna, who's busy. And a bit of encouragement. Che A bit louder, come on! She needs all the encouragement because, you know, unfortunately things happen. The oven wasn't on time, and so we are in a bit of delay, but she's catching up. She is beavering away at a rate that is extraordinary. Even if you want to have a theme of fun, sometimes there's a pulse of stress that's involved. But you know what? She may still pull it off, and all the credits to her. So, you know, we have a lot of things going on here at the World Chocolate Masters that just are not programmed, they're not scripted, it just happens. This is real, this is raw, these are individuals who are at the top of the game, but you know what, she's going to try and pull it off, and there's every single reason for her to do so. We are going to have fun with Scratch Me. Alex, I think you've got something that we need to watch and see right now.
Yes, Mark, I'm here in front of the shop window of Spain, of Lluc. Lluc is just, look at that. He has a huge public, just amazing. Wow. So, I mean, he's really doing an amazing, I think he wants to tell me something. Lluc, do you want to share something about your shopping? Is everything going the way that you want to do? Are you happy about your work so far?
Sí, la verdad, lo voy a hacer en castellano, ¿eh?
I will try to translate, but my Spanish is not that good.
La verdad es que estoy contento, es un formato totalmente diferente y era una oportunidad también para hacer algo nuevo y salir un poco de las reglas del juego, de lo que es pieza artística. Por lo tanto, hemos ido a esto, a hacer un shop window de verdad, aprovechando todo el espacio y buscando que sea impactante, que ahora viene lo bueno.
Okay, thank you very much, Lluc. So basically, I hope I understand everything.
I'm here with Nicolas from Greece, and he's preparing his drink that goes alongside the sharing dessert. So this bit, he's going to take what's inside the box, and they're going to put it inside to the drink, and this is going to give them individual flavors. Is that correct?
That's right. Exactly. It's an interactive element because nowadays people love to take part in what they eat, creating what they eat. So by inserting the cocoa solids at the very last moment, you will make a white drink more chocolatey.
Very good. We can't wait to see this.
Yes. Very exciting, very promising, and as you can see, I think that the level is very up. So thank you, Mark, Julie, and Alexander, for speeding us up and giving us the insights of what's happening behind the scenes. The jury members are getting ready, and within a couple of moments, we will start our tasting. So do not go too far. We see each other back at the 4:59. So within a couple of minutes already to start the tasting and judging.